Salutations and good morning to all of my gremlins. And today I had woken up this morning to find myself with like constant pouring rain out here. It's been actually pouring rain for the past 2 days now. And this is incredible. This is great. I mean, you can see like my hair is like all wet and everything here. I love the rain. It's definitely fun. So put on my military issued like camouflage parka, my rain jacket, and I'm out here right now and just outside. And that apparently back east in the United States has actually been snowing, believe it or not. Places like Philadelphia, New York, New Jersey, and you know, back east over there in the United States. And instead of it snowing here, it's actually pouring rain, like raining like crazy. So, you know, I apologize. I haven't made a vlog for at least a couple days. And in the process of my absence from making vlogs, I've actually been creating different style of videos. Some in which I've never personally done before, and others that I have. I've heard on a news. Hey, thank you for the food, Mom. This food is good. Yeah, especially the eggs. This is natural, right? Yeah, from our backyard. There's Tomo laying on a sofa right there with the blankets wrapped around her. Tomo! Wow! There she is. She's just laying against the sofa right there, with her head against the pillow there. She's just sleeping peacefully. Sometimes she sleeps like this, but she's comfortable, so it's an important thing. Here you go, Tomo. Oh, she took off. What? We got Cha-Cha here. Cha-Cha wants to be on camera today, right? What do you think about the rain? The rain weather. Here comes Coco. Coco. Call him BBB. A big black bunny. It looks like a little big bunny. Big rabbit. Oh. There she goes. Coco, stay on. Come on, Cha-Cha, do it. Dance. Dance, Cha-Cha, dance. There she goes. These dogs, they love doing this. Come on, Cha-Cha. No? Don't you want to tummy rub? Cooper said, I'll give you a high five if you like. Look at his face, look at this food. I'm back in the house now, and out of the rain. Wow, that rain was just crazy out there. And that rain is just completely, it's just constantly coming down. And although I love the rain, I mean, I appreciate it, and I think it's definitely interesting, considering having rain. I just got finished eating breakfast as well. And I think it's really good. It's refreshing to have rain. I believe that it is refreshing to have rain, considering that it doesn't rain that much, that often here in Arizona. And I've actually got up on a computer, as of right now, is the entire, it's a software, it's like, it's an online free software where you're able to navigate throughout the entire cosmos of the universe and of all the orbital planets, the stars, the moon. It shows you the deeper perspective of our galaxy, and it has a lot to do with our astrology and our science and astrology and so much of other things as well. And I thought this was absolutely inspiring and surreal to me, and I wanted to show it to you, and I wanted to navigate throughout the entire galaxy and show you the human civilization, the mankind in which that we live and coexist as a universe, as a society. And this is one of the things that, one of the many aspects of nature and the things in the world that truly inspires me. So, I hope you enjoy watching this video. Here at my Twitter profile, and I'm gonna type something completely random into right there. See, bam! Click on it. Oh shit! Wrong mouse. I'm gonna type something in here. And aliens are, okay, well, I typed in here as of last night, something surreal had happened to me. I was abducted abducted by extraterrestrials, and aliens are green. Alright, every one of you. Alright, every one of you. I welcome you back to, obviously, another scene of the video. And I must conclude this video as of today. And in conclusion of this video, what I wanted to say was an obvious and massive thank you to each and every one of you for, what was it, 11,000 views and almost 12,000 views. So this is something just so very surreal and just unimaginable for me. So thank you so much for the views, for enjoying my videos, and so much as you have, and it absolutely means the entire world and the entire universe to me. I hope that today you had enjoyed watching this vlog, and obviously I will. Oh yeah, anyway, so while we're just laying here and spinning in the air like this, I did want to say, in all seriousness, I was abducted by extraterrestrials. Believe it or not. Believe it or not. I had come back, I had returned to the Earth planet with a brand new language of my own. It's called anyways, in all seriousness, for being a part of this journey with me and my videos, and for being a part of my life, for being a part of my existence, as well as for walking with me in this journey into the light, into the perfection of ourselves, into the light, and with one day at a time. It is much like a measurement, the smallest increments of measurement that is so finite, and we're able to, with each day, create a ripple effect that ultimately helps us to bring us closer to the light, and inside of this journey to become something greater than ourselves with each day of our lives. And with the smallest ripple effect can create a larger effect of a positive influence. So I hope that my videos help you to, give you a positive influence, and therefore you can take the inspiration received from my videos and to go out and make a positive change and ripple effect into the world. And before I conclude this video, before you click that X button of that screen, I wanted to say thank you for watching my videos. And thank you for watching my videos. And please click the subscribe button, which can be found on the screen, somewhere around here on the screen itself, if you're not yet a subscriber. And if you are a subscriber, thank you. I thank you and the entire world. And thank you so much for watching my videos and enjoying my videos. And also for being a subscriber. But like I said, if not, click this red button here. And obviously, I will see each and every one of you soon again. So, have a great night, everyone, and farewell.